Hey guys! Today we are 3D printing cool looking storage containers. This is fast printing storage box. It can stack one over another and it print really fast. It is recommended to print in waste mode. Next we have Honeycomb drawer organizer. This organizer can be expanded indefinitely in two directions. You can add new parts when needed. This is very handy and all parts have thin walls to print fast. This is JD storage stack. It comes with drawer-like access. The storage unit has two versions, solid and hexagonal cutout patterns. This is a simple and it can print more than one storage unit as you like. You can print and test these models for yourselves. That's it for today guys. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more awesome content. Bye bye.